Why does CSK always keep winning? Every few years, IPL teams do a rebuild. They flip their strategies and even change their captains. But CSK has always been there. Playoffs, finals, and trophies. Has CSK always been the best team? Absolutely not. The reason is simple: culture. Today, I link CSK with one of India's most respected business tycoons, the TATA Group. Because both of them realize one thing: consistency is not luck, consistency is a culture. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was the captain of Chennai Super Kings for well over a decade. Even during the bad seasons, they didn't panic. Now compare that to the Tata Group. From JRD Tata to Ratan Tata, consistency has always been there in terms of leadership, and long-term vision has always been their objective. They realize that stability creates a culture creates trust, and trust results in performance. CSK always doesn't have the most explosive team, but every single person knows his role: who anchors, who accelerates, and who finishes. Now look at the Tata Group of companies. There are different business units like TCS, Tata Steel, and Tata Motors. Though all of these business units operate independently, they fall under the same system. This method is called as system thinking, when the system is greater than any individual. CSK does the same thing. The system always remains the same. They plug in different players for each particular role, and the organization and the team CSK always benefits. Other IPL teams chase hyped up young players, but CSK mostly picks experienced players. CSK is often criticized for picking old players, but under pressure situations is not about excitement but about calm execution. Now look at the Tata Group of companies. They don't jump into every new opportunity that they see. Rather, they move patiently and look at their long-term vision. That is why they have a great brand image in India. CSK and Tata are similar in this aspect of it. At the end of the day, experience is not a weakness, but the ability to stay calm under pressure. Here's the most important insight: winning once is talent, but winning repeatedly is a culture. Many teams have won trophies in the IPL, but very few have sustained dominance like CSK. Similarly, in business, many companies have short-term profits, but very few have generational trust like Tata. You can copy a product, you can copy their pricing, but you can never copy their culture. This is why CSK is more than just a team. It's a case study of long-term organizational strategy.